Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 2 Chapter 21, and the chapter name is Time. So, before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can give your time and study. In fact, you can read the books also. You can complete the homework which you received on online classes. You will complete the all project work, holiday homework, because that marks it will add in your term 1 exam. And please complete it all the homeworks, because I have all the records from the chapter 1 till this chapter 21, that which homework I have given on which date. So please complete it all homework in your copy. It should be in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and please use dark pencil. Do not be in hurry. You have a lots of time, so use the time and you can write down in good handwriting and properly, because once the school will open, I just want all the homeworks and you have to complete it in your fair copy. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay safe and happy at home. Whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly, so that the germs will not goes inside your body. And because it's a very serious virus, COVID-19, because of this virus we can die also. So please stay at home, be careful, do not interact with other person. You can be at home, do not talk, do not just learn, just read the chapter, complete your all homework, and please enjoy it. So if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So again, it's a short chapter about the time. So again, we will finish this in this class only, in first lecture and second lecture. In fact, in second lecture, I will give you the exercises also, so that you can write down it in your fair copy. So please just watch the online classes till last. So this is this chapter time, and we can see here that time is very important. Like in every classes I am saying that time is very important, so that the importance of time we will see in this chapter. So page number 101, one picture is there of one boy. Means what he is doing in one day, that all the activities it is in this picture. Like first, he wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. You can see the first picture, the clock, the boys also. In fact, the clock also, it's a 6 o'clock a.m. and see, we wake up in the morning. So we always wake up in the morning. Second, you can see that we have our lunch at noon. So we wake up in the morning, and especially we do lunch at afternoon. So you can see the time, it's 12 o'clock. So we always do lunch at noon. Next, we study in the evening, and then after we study in the evening at 7 o'clock, and then after we sleep at night at till 10 o'clock, till 10 p.m. So here is what the one boy, his activities, that in morning, at afternoon, in the evening, and at night. So these all is what it tells us the time, that we should wake up at 6 o'clock a.m. in the morning. Then after, we especially used to go to brush our teeth, then washroom, then we go for bath. Then after, we just taking the breakfast, which is the first meal in a day. And then after, we ready for the school, then we went to school. Then in school we have a lunch hour. So on lunch hour, it is at afternoon, so we are doing the lunch. Then after, we just school is over, then we just go to home. Then we just changed our clothes. Then after, we just have some like things, snacks. And then after, we will study, we will watch the tvs, then we will take some rest. Then after, we just then after what, we just go to play outside. And then after, we come after playing, then we will do study in the evening. And then after the study, we will take our meals, last meals, that is night dinner. And then after, we will go to sleep on bed. So these all are the activities we usually do in every routines every day. So look at the picture and discuss the following. So we have to look that picture. I have explained everything in this picture. So we have to discuss some questions are there, and we have to discuss here. So the first question is the world outside looking the same in all picture? You can see that above picture is the world, it's outside, it's looking the same in all four picture. Then it's no. Why? Because you can see that from outside, from his window, that the first picture in the morning, it's sun, where sun is rising. Then second, it's afternoon. Then third is for evening, and the last is for the night. So the world outside looking is not same in all four pictures. Second is the boy doing the same things in all four pictures? Then it's no. The boy is not doing the same things in all pictures. See, in first pictures, he just wake up. Then in second picture, he's taking the lunch. Third picture, he is studying. And the last picture, he is sleeping. So in all four pictures, he is doing the another things. He's not doing the same things. Next question. What is hanging on the wall? Now you can see that in all four pictures. So that what is that hanging on the wall? Then that's clock, which tells us the time. So the clock is what it is hanging on the wall. Next question is, what is the clock showing in four directions? Now in all pictures, what the clock is showing? Then the clock is showing the time in all four pictures. In first picture, the time is 6 a.m. Second picture, it's 12 p.m. Third picture, it's 7 p.m. and the last is what? It's 10 p.m. So the clock is what? It's showing the time in the four pictures. It's showing the times in the four pictures. Next line, is the clock showing the same times in all four pictures? Then just now I said that no, the picture is not showing the same time in all four pictures. It's just showing the different times. Like in first picture, it's showing the 6 o'clock. Second picture, it's showing the 12 o'clock. Third picture, it's showing the 7 o'clock. And the last picture, fourth picture, it's showing the 10 o'clock. So the answer is what? The clock is not showing the same times in all four directions. Now the next line we will see in the next videos, lecture number 2. So please guys watch the lecture number 2, and I will give you the exercises also so that you can complete it in your fair copy. Till that, please take care of yourself, and once the online class will over, please read the chapter. So just please watch the next videos. Till that, I'm continue here to teaching you the lecture number 2. So please take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.